Hello everyone, my name is Willie. I want to introduce you to my channel. This is the very first video that I'm making to put out on YouTube. I'm gonna put up a pull-up bar in my garage. I did some research and I saw that in order to put up a pull-up bar, let's say you go out here and want to try to buy one, it can be kind of expensive. Actually, I saw that, I looked on the social media sites and I saw that on one of the places that is a popular place you can buy it, they charge for around $60. I am going to make one for cheaper. I'm going to build it, and the only thing that's needed is you got to have your own, I would say if you have a wooden beam above you that is 4 inches wide and it is long enough to be at least 4 feet, and it has to be able to support your weight. If you have that type of a beam, let's say in a garage or in a house or something above you that you can be able to attach screws to that type of platform, then you can be able to make this bench. It came to a total of $40.38. I live here in Michigan, and we have a 6% sales tax, which brings it $242. So a total of $42.80. That's the price of this project. This gives you plenty of elbow space to be able to do your pull-up without any hindrance. Some more benefits to using a pull-up bar are that it causes a person to develop that unique V shape that's very characteristic of elite bodybuilders who have been working at their art for years. It helps to develop that unique cut so as to develop that shape, that V shape. Also, a person can develop strong grip strength from doing pull-ups. Another thing is that you can be able to, it's easier on the joints because you're doing this exercise up in the air. It is not as much wear and tear on the joints, so it causes less stress on the ligaments and joints area. And finally, it works a lot of the muscles in the neck and the shoulders and the back area. It works them all together simultaneously. So this is better than being able to work them oftentimes separately. By getting them to work together, it allows a more well-rounded physique look and coordination. I hope you find these benefits useful, and I definitely recommend using the pull-up in your exercise in order to make your body stronger. I'm going to use it to help build up my upper body strength. Now, this is the materials that I went and got. Here's my bar. So, this is my pull-up bar. I can use it to and can support my weight so that I can be able to do some pull-ups. Works for me. If you would like to put up a bar like this, then watch my next 2 videos and I will show you how to do it.